How to speed up or slow down videos on Instagram Reels. In this video, I'll show you how to slow up or slow down videos in Instagram Reel. After you open your Instagram app like this now, swipe your Instagram to right and open your camera as you can see now. So after you open up your camera section like this, now tap on this reel. Select the reel as you can see now. After you select this reel, now as you can see, tap on this speed, this 1x, tap on it. So after you tap on this 1x, as you can see now, here is different speed that you can be able to choose and record a video with them. So you can choose, as you can see now, this 3x or 2x or 1x, or you can choose that if you want to make a slow motion, you can choose this -3 or -5. It will record your video with slow if you tap on this minus, but if you tap on this 3x, 1x, 2x, you can record your video with faster. But you can be able to make your video a video that you uploaded from your phone faster or slow. So all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, gallery icon. If you tap on this gallery icon, now you can go ahead and select a video. After you select the video, all you have to do now, make sure before you select the video, you tap, as you can see now, make sure you before you select the video, make sure you select one of these options. As you can see now, let's say I will just select a video with 3x. After you select the 3x like this, so now you can go ahead and tap on this upload button and upload a video. So if you upload the video, now the video will just be playing in fast motion. So that's it guys. From now you can go ahead and upload your video on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.